1974. The TASER TF-76 introduces the world to the concept of the conducted electrical weapon. While the TF-76 was a technological breakthrough, it did not live up to the promise of causing incapacitation, producing only a disorienting shock. Aggressive or focused subjects could fight through its effects. It would take another 20 years of research and development to perfect TASER technology, with the introduction of the M26 in 1999, with patented neuromuscular incapacitation, or NMI, which specifically targeted the motor nerves that control muscular movement, causing physical incapacitation of even the most focused, aggressive subjects. The M26 used a simple, high-voltage, blunt pulse to penetrate through the skin and clothing barriers around the body, a process that accounted for over 90% of energy consumed. In 2003, shaped pulse technology was designed to use a highly refined energy pulse delivered in two phases. The first, called the arc phase, used a small, high-voltage pulse to penetrate across skin and clothing barriers, forming a connection to the body. The second, stimulation phase, flowed freely across this arc through the barrier, delivering the electrical charge needed to incapacitate the target. Shaped pulse technology reduced the power required for NMI by 80%, allowing a dramatically smaller, more portable TASER called the X26. The smaller size of the X26 allowed it to fit on the belt and revolutionized law enforcement for over 500,000 public safety officers who carry it today. 10 years after the original X26, we are upgrading the TASER platform with the new 2013 Smart TASER weapons, featuring an all-digital architecture, making TASER devices more robust, safer, and more effective than ever before. These smart TASERs use enhanced shaped pulse technology with charge metering, an advanced calibration system that measures and adjusts the output of each pulse. Inside the 2003 Model X26, an analog gas tube controlled each output pulse. There was no way to measure or adjust the magnitude of the electrical output, which was fixed at one factory setting. The newer smart TASER weapons utilize an SCR, or silicon-controlled rectifier, which measures the electrical output almost 20 times every second, constantly adjusting the output levels for precise charge delivery. When probes from an analog TASER weapon puncture through the skin and clothing, there is a direct connection to the conductive fluids within the body, and the full output charge is delivered. However, if the probes are lodged in the clothing, there is much more electrical resistance, as the electricity has to arc across the gap to connect to the body. Because of this higher resistance, less of the charge from the shaped pulse is delivered. Newer smart TASER weapons measure how much charge actually flows through the circuit in each pulse and adjusts the energy of the next pulse to deliver a calibrated amount of electric charge, while maintaining a significantly improved safety margin. In addition to charge metering, smart TASER systems provide advanced data recording capabilities and trilogy logs with 3 components: operator actions, electrical output logs, and engineering logs with maintenance or error alerting. With built-in calibration and charge metering, the new Smart TASER line is better than ever, so there's no practical need to incur the logistics cost of taking units off the street to send them to a lab for calibration testing. Smarter, more effective, even safer. Welcome to the new line of Smart TASER weapons.